Greetings and a very warm welcome to the wonderful YouTube community. I'm Liza and I started Globally Vegan because I wanted to share with you the recipes and the stories from all these years of cooking and exploring different cuisines. My vegan journey has taken me from Eastern Europe to the United States, and in between I spent a decade in England, 3 years in Cyprus, as well as some time in Iceland and in Italy. I have also traveled around the world as a musician, touring Europe, South America, Asia, and the Middle East. I'm constantly fascinated by food, by the story behind every dish, and by what the cuisines around the globe have in common. The love for cooking runs in my family. My grandmother was a phenomenal cook, and as a child I used to watch her for hours, making everything from simple dishes to homemade pasta and desserts. My mom is an amazing cook in her own right. Unlike my grandma, whose cooking mostly revolved around Eastern European and Hungarian food, my mom, just like me, loves to make dishes from around the world, and she always collects recipes and watches cooking shows. I cannot wait to share their recipes with you. While some of the recipes that you will see on this channel are naturally or accidentally vegan, most of them have been veganized by me. I find it very inspiring to recreate a meat-based, fish-based, or a vegetarian recipe without the use of animal products. The quest never ends, and I'm going to continue making vegan versions of dishes that I love on Globally Vegan. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Lots of love. Bye.